Hello Year 2s. This time we're looking at quarters. Can you see the pictures? Can you see they're all different shapes? This shape here, it's like a rectangle, isn't it? But can you see how many parts we have? And they're all the same. They're equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Here we've got a circle. 4 equal parts. Here's a square. 4 equal parts. Here's the number 4 here. Now, what we have in common here, all these shapes have 1/4 shaded. You see, 1/4. It's a bit like having 4 friends and you've got to share something between 4 friends, but you all need to get the same. So you have a piece, and then somebody else has a piece, and somebody else, and somebody else, but it's all the same. Quarters means 4 equal parts. Now let's have a look at finding a quarter of a number. Let's have a look at finding a quarter of number 12. We're going to share 12 sweets, 12 grapes if we want to be healthy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to stop there because that's how many grapes or how many sweets we've got. So we've got 12 here, and everybody's got the same. That makes it fair. And if we count up, we can see that 1/4 of 12 equals to 1, 2, 3. So there's the answer. 1/4 of 12 equals to 3. 1/4. Let's make it more difficult. How about if we had 2 quarters? Okay. Let me just mark that out, make some space. So 1/4 equals to 3. How about 2 quarters? Let's put that here. Now 2 quarters. 2 quarters. Well, this is 1/4. And this would be another quarter. So 2 quarters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's bigger. In fact, you might notice that 2 quarters is the same as a half. Can you see that? 2 quarters is the same as a half. And we can draw that on quickly. And there's a whole, and there's half each, when we share between 2 people. And can you see 2 quarters is the same as a half? Okay. So 2 quarters of 12 is 6. How about 3 quarters? 3 quarters of 12. Well, we've coloured in 1, 2, but we want to colour in 3. 3 quarters. So we need to look at this one, and this one, and this one. 3, and another 3, 6, and another 3 is 9. That's right. 3 quarters. So 3 quarters of 12 is 9. And finally, what happens if we were to look at 4 quarters So that means we have to shade in 4. So 4 quarters. 4 quarters of 12 is 3, 3 is 6, and another 3 is 9, and another 3 is 10, 11, 12. 4 quarters of 12 is 12, which makes sense because if you have 4 quarters, that's the whole bar. So 4 quarters of 12 is 12. That's everything. So we've looked at 1 quarter, we've looked at 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and also 4 quarters. Now it's your turn to have a go at the questions.